We'll see now Beis Hashem Yisbarach Masechta beitzah Dav Gimel Amud Beis. Abiyem Yaboya. Itura Sukkah Mahin. What's the halacha with the noise sukkah? We call noise sukkah. Chazer b'yim v'oma kol sheva in b'teil magav sukkah. For sure it's aser because it's muktzah huksla mitzvaseh. Kan ve'elach me'achenam hem. From then on further, it's okay. Rabbi Yasser. Kol sheva kedusha sukkah chalalem. Kan ve'elach kedusha yoyim tevalem. He also on Shmini Atzeres. It doesn't become Mutar Shmini Atzeres because it goes directly from Sukkot, from Cholamoid, when it's Muktzah Mitzvasai, into Muktzah because of Shmini Atzeres. Ma'as Mishal, what is the question here? Yom Tishchol is Shabbos, what happens if it happens to be that Shmini Atzeres is Erev Shabbos? It means there's another day. It can happen these days, but let's say in the times of the Gemara, it could be Shmini Atzeres should be Friday. And the next day is Shabbos. Obviously, you're talking Eretz Yisrael. There's no Simchas Torah. So the question is, if it's also the Shabbos following Shmini Atzeres. And the question is, if you hold Shtei Kedushas. If you hold Kedusha Achas, for sure it's a problem. If you hold Shtei Kedushas, maybe it's not a problem. That's the question. Halacha Beis. B'Shama Oimrim. Sh'oi b'Kazayis, v'Chachomet b'Kikaseves. So the Oimrim Zev Kazayis. Both of them, the Shir is a Kazayis. The Shir will see soon talking about Bal Yeroah, not Gab Achila. Bal Yeroah, that is the question. Let's see the Gemara. Zrikan B'Shem Rabbi Yosef B'Chem Yosef B'Chanina. Lo yishanu ele b'uroi. Al achila kazayis. Achila is a kazayis. Everybody agrees, even B'Shamai agrees, that the only one she of kazayis, achila. Rabbi Bo. Oh, so here I was magia because if not, the Hemshech doesn't make any sense. Reb Chizkiah say Reb Chizkiah. Reb Chizkiah, Rabbi Bo, B'Shem Rabbi Yochanan says not like that. He says Bein la bi'uroi, Bein la chila kaseves. According to B'Shamai, even the achila is also a kaseves. Cham Reb Mona im Reb Chizkiah Amalei min hein shom Rebbe Ador Mils. Whom do you hear this? He's saying such a chiddush that according to B'Shamai, even the achila of chametz is also a bigger shear, kaseves. Amalei min Rebbe Bo. I heard it from Rebbe Bo. Amalei, he answered back, Anan Am Mishim Rebbe. So we have a Kabbalah from Rebbe Bo. Bein be Urod. Oh, so he's supposed to be goyres the opposite because he's arguing with him. So he's goyres no, not like him. Anan Am Lo Yishanu. Ella Lebi Uroi. Alachila Kazayas. We have a Kabbalah the opposite. We have a Kabbalah not like you. We have a Kabbalah that it's everybody, even Bashami agrees that the Gab Achila is a Kazayas. Why? The Lo Kain, if it's not so, Nisna Shloish Mesheva creases with Torah. If 37 creases, because there's a Shia of Achilas Chometz and a Shia Achilas Soyer. There's two different Shiurim. So it's 37 creases. Elamai, no. Gab Achila, everybody agrees Kazayas. Like the Mishnah, Shoichet Chai ve'oiv b'yomtiv. Sami am yachta b'deke v'yichas. So l'om la'yishchat em ki hoyle offer muchen. None of the shechtach atchile rely on this heter. In moedem, she'im shochat, if you're already shechted, and you didn't ask a question, yachta b'deke v'yichas. Then that's the solution. Now another din, a hakira muchen. This is not a new separate piska. You should know that for hakira, you're allowed to use the ash from a stove to be mechasa. And Pchir Shem B'Yechon, and Bashla B'Yanta Ben Eloike. Why? Famous Gemara, called the Tech Shehutra. Hutra B'Klal Bishla B'Yanta. Question is if you say Mitoich. Shom Eloike, Shloivet B'Klal Bishla Elachil B'Vad. If you can't eat it, so you don't say Mitoich Shehutra L'Tzoich. Here's Rabba Mama Al Dodar B'Yechon. B'Yechon says you say Mitoich. Mitoich Shehutra L'Tzoich, Hutra Namash L'Tzoich. Me'ata, if so, if you say this is Svara, Choyrish B'Yanta Ben Eloike, Shehutra B'Klal Choyrish B'Yanta. Says in our Mishnah that Charisha is hutter when it comes to kisu. So we say, so let us say the same svarim to show to the tzorich. A person that's Charish and Yant should not be like even a regular Charisha. Since you find one spot when there's no when you're not like when is that? When it comes to kisu, even come to Basil with the Evid. Yachpe bedeke. Let us say mitoich shehutter to namish leidet tzorich. Yasif shem ila lehitte Charisha kedarka. No. Our Mishnah, it was never matter Charisha Gedaka. Yachpa B'deke V'chase is not a real Charisha. So you can't say that this Malacha was Hutra. Shamay Omer Kumer Rabbi Yasser. B'ache Hashem Rav Illa said over like this. That the B'ache Hashem said Hashem Rav Illa to Reb Shimon. Our Mishnah goes like Reb Shimon. Shimon Omer Achi Heit Let Tzoyrich B'gufe Shel Dov. According to that, according to Reb Shimon, that so even if you make a real charisha on manas to look kisui, you're not chayiv chatos and Shabbos because nochshen tzrich legifa. So you can't say that hutra the meleches charisha is hutra because the meleches charisha letzoyrich was never hutra. It was never hutra letzoyrich. Meile, how can you say that metoich shehutra? It's not metoich shehutra. It was never hutra. It says yachpe bedeke. That's nochshen tzrich legufa. It's not also not Torah. Meile, so the kasha doesn't start. The kasha it doesn't begin because it's not you never hutra. So Abiyasa met Rav because Shammai told Abiyasa that Rav Acha said this over this statement that it goes like Rav Shimon. You said that our mission goes like Rav Shimon, and Memele the mission of Yaakov Bedek is Rav Shimon. And maybe you can't ask me a question. Let us say mitach shehutra charisha because it was never hutra. According to Rav Shimon, it's not shetzrich legufa. It's not considered hutra. Loichen omer Rabbi Yechon de be'amei esam abad dvarim kul v'sham b'chur b'sil v'zechet mehem. Our Mishnah is one of the things that the sil is mach. Sil doesn't allow you to shecht only if you have offer muchum b'yeh. But Shammai says you're allowed to shecht the animal al smach to use a decker. So according to you, noima esamish loisha, because Reb Meir, again, we're saying Reb Meir is not the author of our Mishnah, because Reb Meir can't agree to this statement. Why? Because if Reb Meir will agree to this statement that you're allowed to make yachper b'deker, then we should be matach harisha v'yantiv because matach shehutra. That's the question. You're saying, how can you say our Mishnah goes according to Reb Shimon? Meaning to say Reb Meir disagrees. So according to Reb Meir, we're missing this whole halacha. So we only have 23 things. We have a statement Reb Meir says, Asher Mabad Dvarim means our Mishnah is counted for one of the things. But if you are right, and our Mishnah goes according to Reb Shimon, means Reb Meir disagrees with our Mishnah. Why does he disagree? Because if it according to him to be a problem, let us say so he must disagree with our whole Mishnah. So how can Reb say that's 24 things? That's the kasha what Rabbi Yasa asked Reb Acher El Reb Meir Reb Shimon Shneim Amud Echad. So what will you answer me? Meir and Shimon both agree. They both hold Lachshen Tzrich Legufa Potter. And that's why Mishnah can go Reb Meir to say 24 things because he could be maskim. He could agree to the din of our Mishnah. He also holds like Reb Shimon. Don't we know that Rabbi Yosef Shimon it's a different in Masechta Shabbos we find that Rabbi Yosef agrees also to Rabbi Shimon. Neimer, according to this, Rabbi Meir, Rabbi Yosef, Rabbi Shimon, Shlashtem Amid over Echad. So what's going on here? Like Eller, Meir, Rabbi Shimon, you're telling me Rabbi Yosef also is like that. So all three say the same. So all three hold that Bachshan Tzrich Legufa Pater. Ella, so these last words, not so clear what it means. Ella milan the tzrichen l'Rabbanon pshita l'chayin. The things that the Rabbanon are not sure about, you pashat for you. Pshita l'Rabbanon, things that's pashat for the Rabbanon, tzrichen l'chayin. Is a boy for you. That's what it sounds. Rabbi Yasser is talking to Rav Acher. He says the things that the Rabbanon don't know for sure. That's I wrote it. Bar lehem hay tirutza haman Reb Shimon. Pshitin l'chayin. You think this is a good answer? Pshitin Rabbanon. Tzrichen l'chayin. I think it's pasha to Pshitin Rabbanon. That the Gemara of them says the Shabbos. I think this is the meaning here. I'm not sure, but everybody should decide on their own what's happening in this member element. Here, this is the end of this. I went a little bit through the Dalad. So this is this shear is called Gimel Amud Beis.